First step to check your tire pressure is open the driver's side door. Right here on the inside of the door, you'll find some tire pressure information. It'll tell you the size of the tire that it's supposed to be at and the correct pressure for the front and rear tires. If it's not here, then it may be on this side of the door here. So this sticker here is telling me that the front and the rear run at 30 and 33 psi. So now I'll come to the front tires. First thing is to find the nozzle right here, take the cap off. Next, you want to get your pressure gauge. You always want to keep one of these in your door, in your dash or something. That way you can check your tire pressure quickly. When you push it in, you hear the air hiss really quick. If it keeps hissing like this, it means you're actually letting air out. You just need to do it right up against it once. Once it pushes out this bar on the bottom, you want to look at where the bottom goes to. Right here, it's not very clear, but you can see it's at 33 psi. Then come to the back tire and do the same thing. On the back tire, we're at about 35 or 36 psi. It's okay to be a little bit off on either side, as long as they're relatively even and they're not too low. It might be hard to see, but you do have a safety warning on every tire that tells you never to exceed a certain pressure. In this case, it's 40 psi. So just make sure that your tires are never above that specific pressure. If you ever need to let air out of your tires, there's a little notch on the back. That is to push in that tiny little valve right there. So when you push it in, you can hear it hissing and the air coming out. Really the only reason you want to let air out of your tires is if it's overinflated or if you have bad weather and need to get better grip. So if it's snowing or if there's ice out, you might want to run lower air pressure, or if you're going off-roading.